Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from TechRed.com. Comes with Sim Pete, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys today of this 50-inch Westinghouse smart TV. More of like an overview. I kind of already took out the box and put the legs on at least. Still haven't plugged it into power, but I just want to give you guys a quick look because I know a lot of you guys probably have seen this deal. Best Buy was running it a pretty good special for Cyber Monday. And they're finally starting to come in. So I bought one. You can see right here, it's a Westinghouse 50. It's a 50-inch TV that's measured diagonally. It's LED. It's an LCD panel with LED backlights. It's an edge lit panel. Nothing really high end, but it's good for the price. It's 4K, so it's ultra high definition for the resolution on there. So it's 2160p. Has the capability of playing back high dynamic range formats, so I'm assuming that's probably HDR10. The smart TV, one thing that I have read in the comments is that it's lack of smart apps, so I believe these apps are the only ones that you can have. You can't download more than what comes pre-installed, but the big hitters are there: Netflix, YouTube, Pandora. So those are probably gonna be the main ones. Then you got some weather there, and then you also have some social media, Facebook, Twitter, so that's nice. You could always complement it with a streaming device. I personally have several Chromecasts, Fire Stick. I even have a Fire TV Cube. I'll show you guys. So getting a TV like this, that could be a limitation if you're not planning on buying any additional smart features. But as long as you get like a streaming stick, you should be fine. 4K, like I said, high dynamic range, smart TV, has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to the internet. It's probably dual band, but it's probably N, I would assume, especially at this price range. AC might be a little high. A higher end feature. It also has 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports as far as I/O, and I believe it has some composite and whatnot. I'll show you guys the TV. So this is the TV here. You can see the Energy Star rating, $21 annual cost, and that's if you use it 5 hours a day, every day at 12 cents per kilowatt hour is the average. So it's not too bad. I have another Dynex TV out right now, and that takes $17. So it's a 32-inch 720p, so much higher end TV. Only using like additional $5. So you guys can see the TV here. You can see the legs. That's obviously the screen. Let me try plugging it into power, and I'll show you guys that. Also, the legs are really easy to put on. 2 screws, just screw those to the bottom. The construction of the TV is primarily plastic, so nothing high end. This is your remote here. Here the keys get stuck a little bit. Also does come with some AAA batteries. You guys can see it's also Visa certified, so you can always hook it up to a wall mount. I think it's the 200 by 200 standard. So yeah, let me plug it into power and see if I can get that powered up. Also, like I mentioned to you guys earlier, is a Fire TV Cube. So anything that's like 4K streaming device would be good to hook up to the TV. Okay, so I got it connected to power. Let's see if it'll turn on. The remote, put some batteries in it. Okay, so I just didn't have the power turned on the way, all the way. So let's see if I can boot this up. There we go. So you guys can see. The little Westinghouse logo, and we got some static. So yeah, here's our setup wizard. So yeah, we can get this set up. So thank you guys for watching the unboxing of this Westinghouse 50-inch 4K smart TV. HDR, and if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. If not, stay tuned for more content. Talk to you guys in a later video. Goodbye.